Once you're done with this budget, another thing that you can do is you can create a chart with it. So for your presentation, if you want to put a chart of your spending instead of just kind of line by line itemize them, looking more interesting, you can do that. So what you do is you highlight the columns you want to make a chart out of. So if I want to use all of these, I'm going to click highlight. And here is insert chart, or under insert, you can insert a chart. So by default, it does this column chart, but you can change that. So chart type, you have a line chart, you have a pie chart, you have all sorts of charts here. So let's say we want to show in a pie chart how much money you spent in the different areas. Okay, so it labels it for you. It shows how much you spent on lights and then your other sections. Now you can do some customization with this chart. If you go to customize, the style, if you want to change the background color, you can click here and make it a little darker. You can change the fonts here. If you want to make it 3D looking, you can do that. Okay, then under the type of chart that it is, okay, text color, labeling, here, like a slice label. So if you want to change the color, okay, so you can put it on top here so it's easier to see. The legend or the key, okay, is auto, but you can change that if you want. You can change the font. You can change text colors. So you have some customization here. So once you close this down, this is treated like an image. So if you click on it, you'll see that you get the handles. You can move it. You can resize it. And if you click these three dots, you can delete it if you don't want it. You can save it as an image so that you can upload it into whatever program you're going to use to make your presentation. Or you can copy it and paste it into the presentation. Okay, so those are a couple of things that you can do with it. So this would look more interesting than this would. So this is an option for you to add to your final presentation.